10, exercise number 6.2, question number 5. A flagpole h meter is on the top of the hemispherical dome of radius r meter. It is hemispherical dome, it is the radius is r, and then the top of the flagpole is h meter height, that is given. A man is standing 7 meter away from the dome. A man is standing 7 meter away from the dome is 7 meter, right? And then seeing the top of the pole at the angle of 45 degree and moving 5 meter away from the dome and seeing the bottom of the pole at the angle is 30 degree. See, here I take this the dome and flagpole. Let me take that this is a B the height of the flagpole, and let me take it as C be the dome height of the dome. The height of the dome is the radius r meter. The flagpole height is h is given, and then the dome radius means it will be cover this position, right, like this. It is in the hemispherical shape, so the dome will be cover the position, so it will be the radius. Or imagine the dome is cover this position like this, right? So the radius is r. From the dome, a man is standing away 7 meter and seeing the angle of elevation of top of the flagpole, and again it moves 5 meter away, right? Again he moves 5 meter away. He see the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagpole. So the first one angle is given as 45 degree, the second one angle is 30 degree, right? So from the distance, let me take this A, B, C, D, E and F. See, C to D is nothing but the radius, the dome, right? All the sides the radius are equal, so it is also R. Now we want to find the height of the pole and the radius of the dome. Let me explain that. Let AB be the height of flagpole and BC be the radius of dome, right? Then the distance of that, the man standing distance position is DE is equal to 7 meter and EF is equal to 5 meter. The angle of BCE. Next we see the angle here. The angle of ACE. See the triangle like this, ACE. Here it is AC and then E. This angle is 45 degree, that is ACE. So the angle of AEC is equal to 45 degree, right? And then the another triangle is BCF. The triangle is BCF. This angle is 30 degree. So the angle BFC is equal to 30 degree. Now we take the one by one triangle. In triangle BCF, see the triangle of BCF is, this is the triangle of BCF, this is B, this is C, this angle is 30 degree. See the distance of CF, see the distance of CF is C to D, D to E and E to F. This is R plus 7 plus 5. So this term is R plus 7 plus 5. The distance of BC is equal to R. Now the angle opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite divided by adjacent ratio is, we know that tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Now the tan 30 degree is given, angle is 30 degree. The opposite side is R divided by the adjacent side is R plus 7 plus 5. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 is equal to R divided by R plus 7 plus 5 is 12. Cross multiplication, R plus 12 is equal to R root 3. Now we take this r to another side. Here we have 12 r root 3 minus r. R will be taken out commonly. The root 3 value is 1.732. If we take r commonly outside means we get minus 1. So r into 0.732. Here we have 12. Now we want to find out the radius. R is equal to, I take this term to another side, 12 divided by, right? R is equal to 12 divided by 0.732. R is equal to 12 divided by 0.3 is nothing but, if we take 3 decimal places, 12000 divided by 732. Divide this term, we get the radius. So when we divide this, we get 16 point, the radius is r is equal to 16.39 meter. Now we want to find the height of the flagpole. So in triangle ACF, I take the triangle that is ACF. This is ACF. CF is nothing but, ACE. The triangle is ACE, right? See the triangle. This is the triangle of ACE. Let me test. CE is nothing but r plus 7. AC is nothing but h plus r. AC is nothing but h plus r. Now you can see easily understand this ACE triangle ACE, right? So in triangle, right angle triangle ACE, the angle is 45 degree. Opposite and adjacent side is here. So tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. That is tan 45 degree is equal to the opposite side is h plus r divided by r plus 7, right? Now tan 45 is equal to, that is 1 is equal to h plus r divided by r plus 7. I take this term to this side. 1 into r plus 7 is equal to r plus 7, then h plus r, right? I take this r to this side. R plus 7 minus r is equal to h, plus r minus r both are cancelled, then h is equal to 7 meter. The height of the flagpole is, the height of flagpole is 7 meter. The radius of dome is 16.39 meter. Thank you, students.